Kajing yalang jong Kynhun Myntri kala Pynskhem yang Shillong Urban Mobility Policy ajar posau. Kumbala bu ban penlong kongsan da ka sarkar pedeng ban pentikna ya kajing ya ke bawang keloj ha Shillong. Karu kom perkhat kam la dei ban thau ka bat kentup ya ki benta jong ka yat ka yeng pa ba ka Shillong. Kajing snai ki jaka ya ki jat bat ki jaka penyeng kali halor ki wepat. Ya ki te baro artli ki amendment bat policy ada ban sim knang ba ka jela kan yo kajing yarap kum ka special assistance on capital investment for urban areas scheme.
And the last was regarding the approval of the Shillong Urban Mobility Policy 2024 was also cleared. Basically, this again is in line with the Government of India, where to ensure that the overall mobility in Shillong improves, a policy has to be created, and we have cleared that policy today. And this includes aspects of public transportation, creating more walking space, reducing the congestions, and creating parking spaces, so on and so forth. There are many other provisions. So this policy just gives an outline on how we will approach that, and this was cleared today by the cabinet.